Are you or someone you know looking for a luxury condo? One that has been lovingly maintained and updated? Just under 4,000 square feet with 3 full finished levels, 3 bedrooms, and 3.5 baths. We're here at Stonewall Farms Condominium Complex in Billerica, Massachusetts. I'm Bill Pozerycki of the Pozerycki Arpino Realty Team, and scanning you around the complex is my business partner, Linda Arpino.
Hello, welcome.
We are at 215 Rangeway Unit number 11. Why don't you come on inside and we'll tell you all about it.
So you can see it's an end unit. So there are 3 to each building, as I just scanned. And a nice 2-car garage, and we are going to head in. As you join us, feel free to ask any questions that you have. I'll be watching for comments.
So let's go inside. Ooh, on this one, I almost forgot.
Oh my.
Bring your golf clubs. I'll remind you when we're done.
4.
Whew, AC works. So we're gonna walk right down towards the kitchen. On the right, we won't go in there, but it's the garage, so it's nice to have a garage that is attached, just 3 steps up and you're right inside. Coat closet to the left. Convenient on the first floor is a nice half bath, freshly painted, solid counters, tile floor, and a nice open concept on this first floor. In the kitchen, they've done some recent updates with the appliances. The fridge and the microwave were October of 2020. Gas stove was January 2020. And the nice Bosch dishwasher, which I hear are incredibly quiet, that was just a few months ago. That was May of 2021.
So look at all that nice cabinets and countertops. Let me scan one more time, because it starts all the way over where Bill mentioned about the fridge. I'm just going to come in a little bit closer this way. So you got nice space to the left and the right of your stove, and then all the way across. Nice granite all the way, and up there's Bill.
So a nice little eating area right here where you can sit. You can maybe have a TV on the counter if you want. But what I really like is the nice open concept. It's great for entertaining because you can see all of your guests in here. You have a nice dining area, and Linda will scan around. But actually a nice 12 by 12 deck that's right off of here with the Weber grill right out there.
I'll show you the deck first, and then we can look at the living room. Nice, and what I like, so you see, so the great thing I showed you were the end unit, so this is your view to your right there, and then you just got all the tree line behind you there.
So you got some nice privacy back there. You have beautiful hardwood throughout the home. The only place you have carpet is down in the lower level that we'll do at the end. Recessed lighting in the living room.
So you've got, I'm going to swing back around, and there's the kitchen. So like Bill said, so there's that breakfast bar with the 3 stools. It's kind of built up a little bit higher. So if you're having a quick bite to eat or a morning coffee, that's a great place to be. You have your formal, if you have more of a sit-down kind of dinner or guests over that you want to entertain. And again, you can see how you can see everybody. And I'm going to go in a different corner so you can see the living room. And then I'll get you the view from the living room. Oh, I can see Bill in the mirror.
Oh, sorry. And they've done some fresh paint recently as well, too. So the walls, beautiful hardwood floors, ceilings, they're all in really, really good shape. I know you hear it all the time, nothing to do but move in, but you really have nothing to do but move in.
But move it. So see the kitchen, dining room, slider to your deck. Very nice.
So we will head back down the hall, and we are going to go up the stairs. And when we come around the top of those stairs, we're going to take our first right, and that will be the master. I'll let Linda go first.
So that's the door we came in. I think I missed the coat closet when Bill mentioned
Right here.
it. So there is your double coat closet. Nice wide staircase.
We've actually sold quite a few condos in this complex. They do go very quickly. So again, if you're interested or you know somebody that is, you need to move quickly. So we're going to come and take our first right and come into the master. And again, the hardwood carried throughout. 3 nice windows in here, so you're going to get a lot of nice natural sunlight in here.
It's a really big room because that's a king-size bed, I believe.
Recessed lighting. And then it walks down towards the master bath and the walk-in closet. It is a big master. This master measures 20 by 18.
There's your shower stall.
So double
Sorry.
vanity.
My fingers went in front. There was a call coming in. There I am. I'll have to put it on just do not disturb mode next time, Bill.
Sorry, Linda. I'm learning.
And this is the walk-in.
Good size walk-in closet.
Patriots. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Soon. Coming soon.
Has a pocket door.
Yes, a good point. A pocket door there and a pocket door here in the bath, which is nice, so it saves you the space. I like that. So back out to the hallway, we're going to take a right, and we're going to have the other 2 bedrooms. But a lot of the closets here, we're going to open some of the doors for you. There's really good size. Here's the hall closet here.
Ooh, nice.
And right above Linda is a pull down to the attic. And the reason I'm pointing that out is it's floored, and it does have drywall that's up, and it does have heat and AC up there. It measures about 24 by 10. So you've got plenty of storage up there in the attic to use.
And it's nice when everyone's bugging you, you can just hide up there and
Yeah.
you'd be all set.
Before we go in, I'll let you see the other big space, the washer and dryer. Very nice washer and dryer, and they do stay with the house, and I forgot to mention that downstairs. All the appliances in the kitchen stay, the washer and dryer will stay, and there's a freezer in the garage that's also going to stay.
Nice. Can always use a freezer.
Let's go straight. This one is set up as an office. It does have 3 bedrooms. It's deeded as a 2-bedroom, so there is no closet in here, but you can obviously use it as a bedroom. They have it as an office.
Excuse me, Bill.
Most of the ones that we sold, people are using it as a bedroom sometimes, or a nursery. You've also got plenty of room in the lower level when you go down there that you could have another office area, so both people can be working from home. 2 windows in the bedroom, which is nice. You don't see that a lot. Got a small closet there for linens and towels. And then into this bedroom that does have a closet, and I'll probably pop the door open for you just so you can see it's a walk-in.
So you can see it's a nice big space because it has room for the 2 side tables, it has the bed, it has the place for like a sitting area. Here's your view out back. I'll swing around. And there is the closet. It's a nice sized walk-in closet.
So obviously they're beginning to move, so it's not set up the way you'd probably have it, but it is nice space to have in there. You've got your second full bath right here. Tiled tub and shower. Pretty tile flooring and
I like that mirror. It's
solid
cute.
counter. Oh, the moon mirror?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's turn and go down the stairs,
And then
Back-
down the stairs.
back towards the front door, and then we're going to check out the lower level. You get a little bit of a view here from the complex from this window as well.
So I do like it's a little bit of a darker hardwood floor that we have throughout the first and second floor. And I am holding on to the railing so I don't fall.
Don't fall. We haven't, neither one of us.
Don't jinx me. I'm going down these stairs.
Okay, come on down to the lower level, everyone.
So they carried, which is nice. So again, nice wide staircase, and they carried the hardwood. Because when you walk in, to that front door, the hardwood has a nice continuous flow down the hall to the kitchen area, as well as if you walk downstairs.
So this area measures 27 by 24, and there's various ways you can set it up. They had a little bit of an office area down here. They have a treadmill, so you can have some workout and exercise equipment. They did install a gas fireplace that you can see at the other end of the room during their. Matter of fact, they're the only owners, so that's another nice thing to have is when you have just one owner, especially someone that took such great care of it. And the other bonus, as Linda is turning around, is there's a 3/4 bath down here.
Yes, that's nice to have too. So really, that would be great too for extended guests. So if you had someone visiting, you could always have them stay down here. They have their own bathroom. We'll play a little tic-tac-toe later.
I'll crush you.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Lots of talk, big talk. So they have their desk set up. They got the double windows. There's the staircase coming down from the deck above, and the slider out.
So it's nice that it's a walkout. You can have a couple of chairs out there if you want, a little table. Inside this room is some extra storage. This is also where one of the split system is. So you have a split system, meaning it's AC and heat. There's one here, and there's also one in the attic. That creates your 2 zones. There's also 2 instant hot water heaters in there. Water, whatever. Just because of the size of the unit, and they want to make sure that they're getting their hot water up on the bath as well as instantly into the kitchen and the half bath there.
Megan's watching. Hi, Megan.
Hi, Megan. So in essence, that concludes our tour. I want to thank you all for watching. Again, like Linda said, if you have any questions now, you can put them in there, or you can reach out to us later on. We are going to come on the market tomorrow, probably later in the afternoon. We're going to have showings through the weekend, and then all offers are going to be due on Tuesday at noon.
And I know you mentioned the golf course, Bill, but it isn't very far.
I did not mention the golf course. That was my surprise. I just said bring your golf clubs.
Oh. Did I ruin your surprise? It sounded like you were ending.
Spoiler alert.
Sorry.
There is Swanson Meadows Golf Course right across the street. You could actually just take the cart right from the golf course and drive it right over here. You'll get in trouble for that, so don't do that. It literally is a 100-yard walk from here. So it's a really pretty 9-hole links course. It's nice. The couple of the people that we have sold in here were big golfers. They loved it. So walk right over there. They have a nice clubhouse. You can have a nice lunch.
So I like the fact that we are across the street. So you saw it was kind of that private cul-de-sac when I scanned it, because that way you have your privacy here still, and don't have to worry about people going to the clubhouse or see the activity. You know, you've got some privacy, but just walk across the street and you can play golf and have lunch.
Or you don't get a stray golf ball from a golfer like me. So
True.
I could probably still hit your house from over there. So again, everybody, thank you for watching. We really do appreciate it. Make sure that you do follow us on our Facebook business page, as well as subscribe to our YouTube page, because we like to do these videos, these sneak peeks, these virtual open house tours, but we also do videos from around town, whether on restaurants or trail systems or things like that. And we also have the Pozerycki Arpino, dishing with the Pozerycki Arpino, which we do as well.
That's nice.
All shameless plugs.
Michael's on as well. Shout out to Michael.
Hello, Michael. Hello, Max. All right, everybody. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.